Happy New Year 2026. May God all bless you for the listeners, for everyone. May God give you power and good health this 2026. May the Lord upon you, watches you, the guardian angels will be with you, away from any harm or dangers, protections, and may your business will be blessed this coming year. All the land that the seeding of yours, the plantation will be blessed and save your food this 2026, so that the year of famine may come, but you resist because you save your food in your garden, plantations, the goods, everything. Save in the good area. Doing plantations more. May God bless you. Shalom.